Run over. To hit someone or something with a vehicle. The car ran over a cat. The bus almost ran over the cyclist. Fry up. To cook food in a pan using oil. I will fry up some eggs for breakfast. Let's fry up some chicken for dinner. Boil up. To heat a liquid until it boils. I will boil up some water for tea. She boiled up a pot of soup for dinner. Pass out. To faint or become unconscious. He passed out because it was too hot. She passed out after running for a long time. Lie around. Rest or be lazy. I just want to lie around all day. She spent the weekend lying around at home. Talk over. To discuss something carefully. She talked it over with her friend. We need to talk over the plan. Drive off. To leave in a car or other vehicle. He got in his car and drove off. He waved goodbye and drove off quickly. Lay off. To stop employing someone. He was laid off last month. The company had to lay off many workers. Die out. To slowly disappear or stop existing over time. Dinosaurs died out millions of years ago. Some animals are dying out because of hunting. Turn up. To come or arrive. He turned up late to the party. Many guests turned up at the wedding.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!